always make my designs as sort of a development in progress. So I see what I've got lying around and I make what I want to make out of it. A lot of people, they draw and design first, and that's all well and good, but that's just not my style. So the initial design and development, the first stage of it, I was really disappointed. But what I've got here is now slightly lower, it's more stable. I've got it's narrower as well, so I've got the reach. I can reach right across if I need to cut, so that's good. And also I've got more support for the rip cuts going through. So I start out with some nice flat bits of timber. I've got 4x1 here, old money. So these are my cutting rails, and I'm planning to sandwich those between 2 pieces of ply on either side, one piece of ply on either side. It's always a good idea to set the clamps up first, get them ready to go, especially on this one because it's only me doing it and there's quite a lot of faces to glue. Now I've got my little workshop heater going, so the workshop temperature should be around about 21 degrees, something like that. Now a lot of people out there, they don't want to glue both sides and don't put enough glue on to fully laminate something. But it's better to fully laminate something. I know it looks a little bit over the top for glue, but the most important thing is that these laminations have glue coming all the way through them. That's the only way to guarantee strength. So I've unclamped these and cleaned the bulk of the glue off. Set up my router with the roller bearing cutter. So I think it's a good piece of kit. I think it's very helpful. I think when you're working on site, you always need a place to cut large board material. So of course it's not full length, but I don't have that size in my plan. So anyway, overall I'm very happy with it, and I'll be putting it to use in the next coming few weeks, or definitely next year anyway. Right, so actually we're coming up to the end of 2020, and you know, I never ask people to subscribe. I always think the responsibility is to me to produce quality videos for people to watch. If you like the videos, you're going to subscribe. If you like what I do, thank you very much for following me. Thank you for subscribing. If you feel it's worthwhile to subscribe, thank you also. I appreciate it. I think one of the things most YouTube channel people would say is they really appreciate people subscribing. It's really great. I'd like to thank every one of you, like personally, it means a lot. Anyway, so if you like the content, I appreciate that. So it's coming up for the new year, and I've been a little bit slack during some points of the year, but probably most people have because we've been locked out. And I just wanted to get back onto work. And I think that's fair enough. Nobody can complain at that. So I'd like to say to all those guys who've subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And to all those guys watching, Happy Christmas and a Happy New Year. Stay safe in the workshop. Have a nice day.